Meanwhile, guys, as crypto lenders continue to collapse along with prices, one key figure we've talked about has emerged to help stabilize the ecosystem. That is Sam Bankman-Fried, founder and CEO of crypto exchange FTX. Kate Rooney joins us with more on his role. Kate, you were off yesterday. We talked about his role in Voyager. It is kind of difficult to piece apart. His personal fund, Alameda, extended a loan, and through those bankruptcy proceedings, it's not really getting much special treatment in that liquidation process.
Right. We got a lot of information in that bankruptcy filing on Tuesday night. And crypto billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, like we've talked about, is really becoming this industry's lifeline. But one of his companies will likely take a major loss after this week's latest crypto bankruptcy. Voyager filed for Chapter 11 on Tuesday night. Alameda, that's Sam Bankman-Fried's quant trading firm, is mentioned 34 times in that filing, guys. Alameda was one of Voyager's largest shareholders with about a 9.5% equity stake in that company. Alameda was also a creditor, though. Bankman-Fried's company provided a loan made up of crypto and cash. It was worth about $500 million. Voyager only drew on about $75 million worth of that total. Legal analysts, though, are telling me it's unlikely Alameda will recoup that equity and credit line. That money may be wiped out in Voyager's restructuring. On top of all of that, Alameda was also a customer. It borrowed $376.8 million worth of cryptocurrencies from Voyager. That interest rate was between 1 and 11.5%. We also see some other outstanding loans in these bankruptcy documents. Another high-profile borrower we've talked about, Three Arrows Capital, which was a big part of Voyager's downfall in the first place. Three Arrows owes more than $650 million to Voyager. It defaulted on that back in late June, and Genesis, as well as Mike Novogratz's Galaxy Digital, are also on that list of Voyager borrowers. Bankman-Fried, though, through his companies FTX and Alameda, has already plowed hundreds of millions of dollars in emergency loans into various crypto companies. Now has the option to buy one of those companies, BlockFi, as we've talked about. And in an interview with Reuters, Bankman-Fried says he and his companies still have, quote, a few billion on hand to help struggling crypto firms, and that the worst of this liquidity crunch has likely passed. But his role here highlights all of the links between these crypto firms, guys, some of the contagion we've seen within lending. It also shows what some are calling recycled capital within the space. Back to you.
Yeah, recycled and no idea where it's going or where it's come from. Kate, when you look ahead, we've been so focused on the crypto lenders. What's another area that you think is starting to show cracks or will, whether that be the crypto miners or the stable coins?
Yeah, it's interesting. That's crypto miners is one of the big areas that folks have been talking to. That's a big question. You say, what's the next shoe to drop? Where should we be looking? Crypto miners have come under a ton of focus and scrutiny lately, partially because of that lending. They are really capital intensive. They've needed to borrow a lot of money, and it's often been from those crypto companies, those crypto lenders that are now in that liquidity crunch. The capital is not there to borrow. Interest rates are a lot higher. Wall Street wants nothing to do with the crypto miners or crypto companies in general. So they really have been cut off from some of the credit that they've used in the past to grow. You've got lower Bitcoin prices, higher energy prices. So they're facing what some have told me is really a perfect storm. Those companies under pressure, I would watch that space for potentially more M&A and consolidation.